What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we're installing this on the EX Civic 2019. So basically it's a replica right here. It's a replica, not branded. It's come from Modified, American Modified. Thank you for sending this for free. I say thank you. So basically it had no hardware, no nothing. So we bought some hardware right here. Some clips. It's the clips right here. I bought it on Amazon for $8. It's the same thing. Because it's gonna destroy the. We're gonna break those clips. Came with the OEM. So I'm gonna take that clip off and you're gonna wait for my friend to come over to install this because I already have this in the car already. Matte black, everything like that from American Modified. We're installing this right here, the same thing. So I'll put those clips over here. 3M tape is through.
It's a little like food, yeah, that's alright. When I see you, she's still on my side. We're standing on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so.
So the clips, installed it right here. I got it from Amazon, remember that? I'll put the link down below where I got it from. So I'm gonna put one here. One here. Basically gonna be 4 clips on it. Like those. Go see it on the video.
You in such a hurry, and it's a parking lot sunrise. With a girl who says that she might.
Recording? Yeah, unscrew it. Car wash. Then we never go to the car wash. Just be gentle. Hold it. Gentle? Just be gentle, bro. Ah! I said to be gentle.
She might just saw me wanted. We're in Silverado under a parking lot sunrise. With a girl who says that she might just saw me wanted. We're in Silverado.
One clip's right here. Huh? Another clip's somewhere. Are you sure there's no screws? Are you sure there's no screws? Oh my gosh! What the hell, boy? How the body parts do it? It's a baby, man. Jovi just ripped her apart. Microphone's right here. Jovi just ripped her apart. You take a video. Send it to Legit Manila. Just be careful.
It's a little bit late, it's a little bit light, but when I'm with her, it just feels right. I say, I've been running around, I'm exhausted, but when I'm with you, it feels like I've been anesthetized. She say, I don't really mind being put under for you. I'll be waiting for the sunrise, and it's a parking lot sunrise. With a girl who says that she might just saw me wanted. We're in Silverado under a parking lot sunrise. With a girl who says that she might just saw me wanted.
Put the clip back in.
Which clip?
See the clip?
This one?
Yeah. The clip is back in, right? Put it back in the hole. Push down.
Okay, double check.
A 8mm. Take the thing off, both of them. After that, try use a primer tool to prime this out. Some parts will break. The pin will break. And we can use the old or new pin from Amazon. After that is from the dealership. It's a Honda product out of the American modified product right here. So it's the same some concept, but it's a different higher frame. You pass right there. Hope you could see in the video. And here too. Both of them are good products. You want to get
It's
your
a little
budget?
like cold, yeah, that's alright. When I see you, she's still on my side. We're sitting on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such